Welcome to our guide on fixing a cracked iPhone screen. Many of us have experienced that heart-stopping moment when our device slips from our hands. Before you get started, let's review the tools and materials you'll need for this DIY project. First, ensure your iPhone is powered off completely. Next, use a screwdriver to remove the screws near the charging port. Carefully detach the cracked screen from the body of the iPhone using a suction cup to avoid stress on the connectors. Next, use a plastic opening tool to gently pry up and disconnect the screen connectors from the logic board. Now it's time to replace the cracked screen. Take precautions to ensure the new screen is aligned correctly. Reattach the screen connectors securely, ensuring they are aligned before clicking them back into place. Carefully press the screen back onto the iPhone and secure it by replacing the screws. Power on your iPhone to check if the repair is successful. If all goes well, you'll see the familiar Apple logo. Congratulations on completing your DIY repair. If you're not satisfied with the results, don't hesitate to seek professional help.